Okay, may bisita naman po tayo. Epson L3210. Issue, blinking yung dalawa. Ibig sabihin yan service required. I-reset. So, ayan. Makikita nyo dito. Printing preferences, maintenance, Epson, status. Ayan. Service required. So, i-reset yan. So, ayan. Ito ang resetter natin. Select lang yung model L3210 and then port. Okay, dito sa particular adjustment mode, waste ink pad counter check. Dito 100% na yung main pad counter. Yan, check mo lang yan and then initialize. When the OK button is clicked, counter will be initialized. Okay. And okay, please turn off the printer. Okay. Okay. Cancel. Punta ka dito sa ink charge and then magno-nozzle check tayo, print or yung manual na pag nozzle check. Yan, long press mo lang tong cancel button, isusunod yung power button. Once nang umilaw, release mo na, magpiprint na yan. Yun, okay na. Thank you. Like and share. Pa-subscribe na din sa YouTube channel Jomar Marco. Search mo lang. Thank you. Sheesh.